welcome back to another video. Today I am making the Tik Tok coffee, whipped coffee, Dalgona coffee, whatever you call it coffee. I just googled Dalgona coffee and the first one that popped up was jessicainthekitchen.com, so I'm using that recipe. I'll link it down below. So it's just equal parts instant coffee, sugar, and boiling water, and then we're gonna whip it. And I'm also gonna be making it like low FODMAP style. I'm probably gonna put the like Monash app of the like serving suggestions right here. I'm gonna screen record it. I have 2 glasses. These are my bubble tea cups. They come with these lids and cool straws. I got them on Amazon. Then we're gonna need to boil some water. So I'm gonna put that on right now. Okay, so according to the Monash app food guide, we're gonna go in and go to beverages and then scroll down, and here we go, instant coffee decaffeinated black. This is 2 heaped teaspoons, which is 4 grams. I'm just gonna do a tablespoon. Water's boiling, hang on a second. Okay, so water's boiled, and then we also need some sort of milk. So I'm gonna be using Almond Breeze for me, and if we go into dairy milks and scroll down, and this is like Australian brands, but still valid. So let's find unsweetened almond milk. I can have a cup, but I can only have a tablespoon of the instant coffee. So, and the recipe calls for 1 cup of milk, so I'm just gonna do half a cup for myself so that the flavors are the same. And then for my brother, I'm doing cashew milk. He's trying to stay low calorie right now, and he wanted cashew milk because he hates almond milk. So, okay, so now that our water's boiled, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of this instant coffee. Oh. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, and then also we're gonna need some granulated sugar. So we're just gonna, oh, that's the wrong one. So we're gonna go into confectionery and sugars, and white sugar I can have up to a 1/4 cup, but I'm only gonna have a tablespoon, so it's fine. But this app is amazing if you have to go on a low FODMAP diet. It costs money, but it's worth it because there's a whole list of foods you can and can't eat. It's amazing. I'm just gonna have a bite of my granola bar. This brand, they make low FODMAP food. You can order these on Amazon. They also have like tomato sauces. I also have their salsa. Super good. How does this work? Got it. Whip it good. 2 tablespoons. Sugar. Now I know you can use a hand mixer, but I didn't want to use one. So I'm going to do it by hand. Look at this. It's already starting to get foamy. I don't know, is this as whipped as it's going to get? I have no idea. Okay, I feel like that is whipped enough. I'm gonna taste it on its own. Tastes like sugar and coffee. Okay, ice. I need some ice. Don't judge me for measuring, I'm a perfectionist. Cashew milk. I think these cups were too big. It smells like burnt coffee. I hate wasting it. I gotta get it all out. Okay, so there we have it. It looks so good. I think this one is the cashew milk, right? Oh, let's go see. Okay, so let's give this a try. I'm really excited. It doesn't mix in very well. It's kind of staying at the top. Let's try it. I mean, it's not horrible. It's pretty good, I guess. I don't know if I see the whole rave that everybody's making this. I mean, it tastes like iced coffee. I think I might prefer it sweeter. I like really sweet coffee, but it isn't bad. What do you think, Trav?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Do you think it could be sweeter?
I don't think so. It's sweeter, but no, I don't think so.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you don't already, follow me on Instagram. It's Lexie Shaffer, just my name, and I'm gonna hopefully start doing some polls and stuff to see what kind of videos you guys want. And I know a lot of people have been wanting more cooking videos. They're coming, I promise. I'm gonna film some. I just wanted to practice my editing with those first couple of videos that I already filmed. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye. This little guy likes to scratch at the door. He's being very annoying, aren't you? He wants attention. That was a mistake.